Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll guide you on how you can send stars on Monopoly Go. Let's start. Open your Monopoly Go app and make sure you're logged in. Next, click the album tab at the bottom of your screen and select any set of cards. After that, find an extra star card that you want to send. You can tell if it has plus sign beside of it. And here, tap to send to friends and choose a friend that you want to send it. Note that gold star cards are not available for sending cards and can only obtain by playing the game. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.